In this lecture, we are going to learn about operators in C language. Operators are symbols that tell the computer what kind of operation is to be performed on operands. For example, 100 plus 200. Here in this statement, 100 and 200, they are the operands and plus is the operator. Similarly, suppose if I want to compare the values of two numbers like 100 greater than 200. Here 100, 200, they are the operands and greater than is the operator. Now we are going to see the various types of operators that we can use. First, we are going to categorize the operators based upon the operations they do. I mean to say the kinds of operations they do. There are three categories: arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. Now, as far as arithmetic operators are concerned, they are simple ones like plus symbol, minus, multiplication, division, and this may sound unfamiliar to you because this is used to calculate the remainder after a division. We will see an example of this later on. In relational operators, we people are supposed to compare the values and the symbols are greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to. We will also see the examples of these relational operators. Similarly, logical operators are used to combine two or more conditions or to negate a condition. Let me explain. First, we are going to learn about arithmetic operators. Like I told you, arithmetic operators, they are basically used to go for arithmetic calculations. Like these are very simple examples. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Plus is an operator. 10 minus 2.0. The result is 8.0. Similarly, 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. Now, in this example, like I am going to write 18 divided by 4. The result should be 4.5. But the actual result that will be shown is 4. Why? Because integer and integer operands, I mean to say int and int operands, they always yield int results. So in order to have the exact result, what we should do is we should make one of these operands as float, like 18 divided by 4.0. So we have not tampered with the value of 4, we have just written it as 4.0, which is equivalent to 4 only. But we will get the right result, that is exact result 4.5. Similarly, in the next example, I am going to show the modulus operator. The modulus operator gives you the remainder after division. For example, 18 modulus 4. So if I divide 18 with 4, I am going to get the remainder as 2. Now there are two important points for modulus operator. The first one is both operands should be integer. That means they should be of int data types. Now, sign of numerator is always considered in the operation. I mean to say, like for example, minus 10 modulus 4. Now this is our numerator. Minus 10 is our numerator. So the remainder is going to be minus 2. Why? Because numerator was having this negative symbol. But in the next example, 10 modulus minus 4. Now this is the denominator. Its minus symbol is not going to have any effect on the output. It would be 2 only and not minus 2. Now we come to relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two operands. The output of these operators are always 1 or 0. 1 means true, 0 means false. Relational operators are greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to, etc. For example, if I compare 10 greater than 20, of course it is going to give me the result 0. 0 means false. Similarly, 20 greater than or equal to 10. This is the true condition. So we are going to get the value 1, output 1. This means true. Similarly, 10 greater than or equal to 10 is also true because 10 is equal to 10. So we are going to get 1, which is true. Now 10 double equal to 10. Double equal to is used to compare the equality And 10 double equal to 10, of course it is true because 10 is equal to 10. So we are going to get 1, that is true. This is the not equal to operator. So 20 not equal to 10 is true because 20 is not equal to 10. So we are going to get the value 1, that is true. Now we get to logical operators. Logical operators are basically used to combine the two or more relational expressions. Logical operators are double ampersand, which is called AND operator, and these are double pipes, which is called OR operator, and this is the negation symbol, NOT operator. This is called negation operator or NOT operator. For example, A greater than B and A greater than C. This is called AND, as I have told you earlier. In this case, because we have combined these conditions, two conditions using AND operator, both the conditions should be true in order to have the final evaluation as true. Suppose A is greater than B, but A is not greater than C. In this case, the overall evaluation is going to be false. A greater than B, in the second example, A greater than B or A greater than C. Suppose A is greater than B, but A is not greater than C. Even then, the whole evaluation will be treated as true because any one of the conditions needs to be true in order to have the final evaluation as true. In the third example, I am going to use the negation operator. I am writing A greater than B, but I have negated it with the negation symbol, with the not symbol. So if A is greater than B, suppose this condition is true, but the overall evaluation will be considered to be false. Why? Because I have negated this condition with this negation operator. So in the next lecture, we are going to learn more about operators.